morning. I'm just gonna share to you some products of Atomy na kung saan must-have nyo kapag kayo po ay nag-travel. Para mas convenient po sa inyo ang magdala ng mga panligo, pampaganda, na hindi po kayo nahaharang sa airport. At saka, mas magaan po siya. Okay, the first one is the cleansing travel kit. So, itong cleansing travel kit na to ng Atomy, pinagsama-sama po dito yung more about cleansing. Okay, the first one we have here is the 40 ml deep cleanser. And we also have 40 ml foam cleanser. So, dun sa evening care for set, it has 4. We have the deep cleanser, foam cleanser, meron din po siyang peeling gel and peel-off mask. So, ito lang po yung dalawa na nandito ko sa cleansing travel kit na to. So, if you are using makeup, still you can have the deep cleanser kasi ito po yung nag-act as makeup remover or deep pore cleanser. And the foam cleanser, ito po yung pinaka-soap po natin. We also have the Atomy Herbal Hair Shampoo, which is also my favorite. It is in 40 ml also. And meron din po siyang Atomy Herbal Body Cleanser. I like this very much kasi hindi po siya nakaka-dry ng skin. Like with the other soap. And we also have the Atomy Body Lotion. Also in 40 ml. And Atomy Herbal Hair Conditioner. So, kung kayo po yung magta-travel, in just one set, nandito na po yung pangailangan nyo para. So, this is in the Philippines, 600 pesos member price if you register as a member. So, kung hindi pa po kayo member and you want to avail the product in a lower price, don't hesitate to comment down below. Or you can message me on my other social media accounts like my Facebook account. Okay, so yun po yung laman ng ating cleansing travel kit. Imagine I don't have a check-in baggage kasi pag nagta-travel ako, ayoko po ng maraming dala. May hand carry luggage is only 6 kilos. Nandito po ito, set na to. And of course, meron din pa po ako isa dito which is my skincare travel kit. But this time po, face off na po itong skincare 6 kasi napalitan na po siya ng the frame. And I hope mag-release po ang Atomy ng new set of skincare. Kasi ito naman is more on cleansing. This one is nourishing. So, ano po ba laman ng skincare travel kit na to? Meron po siyang toner. We start with the toner. Next is the essence in 20 ml. Ito po, toner is 40 ml. We also have the face lotion, 40 ml. And the eye cream in 15 ml. And nutrition cream, 20 ml. So, sobrang na-appreciate ko lang tong travel kit na skincare and cleansing kit ng Atomy kasi before kapag nagto-travel ako, pupunta kami sa ibang lugar, hassle talaga yung wala kang dala-dala na kompleto, na may lotion, na may sabon sa katawan, tapos may shampoo, conditioner, kailangan mo pang bumili pagbaba mo. So dito sa set na to, andyan na yung lahat ng pangailangan mo na pwede mo pang i-hand carry na hindi mo kailangan bumili ng bagahe or extra bagahe. So ngayon, naligo na po ako. I-apply ko na po yung skincare 6. So I start with the toner. So that's all, guys. I hope you will try these products para po convenient po yung pag-alis nyo. In just one set or in one kit, nandun na po yung mga needs nyo po sa pagligo, pag-nourish,